Warli fish, Warli cat, Warli elephant, Warli horse,
and Warli deer.
Yes. Welcome to your own channel, Kiddoctive Homeschooling. So, let's start to draw Warli horse. For Warli horse, we need two slanting lines to make an X. Then close these two ends. Okay. Then extend this and draw a pointed triangle like this. Okay, basically we draw a triangle like this, but we have to do it opposite, pointed towards down. Okay, so for his ears we have to draw like this. Then for his hairs we have to draw slanting, small slanting lines like this. Okay, then we have to draw his legs like this, see, and these are his hooves. Okay, so we should color it black. See, it's so easy. Okay, so let's draw this side. Then again one upon this. Okay, I am doing it by pencil because learning it now. If something goes wrong, then we will erase. Okay, then we need to draw the tail. Yes, like a wavy structure. See, okay, so now color the body. This area black, this and this. Okay, how I drawn. Okay, so you have to highlight this with your black color sketch pens. Okay, tail, this is body, these are hairs, these are hooves. Okay, now we are going to draw a deer. Okay, for deer also you need to draw two slanting lines like a X. Okay, then we need to close these two ends. Okay, then again we need to draw his face. Okay, like this, and two eyes and mouth. Okay, now we will draw horns. Okay, so you should make some distance between two horns. Okay, now we will draw antlers. Okay, like this, V. See, V, and at the top make circle like this, small circle. small circle like this. Okay, now same at the opposite end, like this. Okay, done. Now we are going to draw legs. Okay, V. See, V like structure. Again same here also. Okay, now we need to draw his tail like this. It's so easy, so you can draw. Okay, so how is it? Now we have to draw his body black color. Okay, finally I have colored her body. Okay, so it looks like this. Warli deer. What we need to do? We need to do a curve. Okay, do a curve like this. Then join these two ends to make a semicircle. Okay, so then we have to make its face. Okay, its face and trunk. Okay,
Eyes.
then his eye and ear. You have to draw
Ear.
a D. Okay, then we need to draw his legs, fatty legs. Okay, see, you have to draw like this. So easy. And you have to design it like this. These strokes you have learned in nursery. Okay, so you have to draw like this. Okay, now we need to draw its tail. Okay, then we need to decorate. It's because we said it earlier that royal animal, so we need to decorate. Okay, do like this. See, standing, slipping, standing, slipping. Here also standing, slipping. Okay, now we need to draw same like in legs. Okay, do it, children. It's so easy. Okay, we need to draw. Okay, now we will color the boundaries with black sketch pen. Okay, so how I draw the outer line. Okay, after doing with pencil, let's draw. So you have to draw it with sketch pen. Okay, now we are going to draw a cat. Okay, so cat says, yes, cat says meow meow. So For cat, we need what we need in Warli. For cat, we need an oval shape. Draw an oval like this. Then for his face, we need to draw a circle. Okay. Then we need to draw 2 eyes. Okay. Then do it like this. You can draw. Yes, it's so easy. Okay. Then it's 2 ears. Okay. Then we need to draw legs. See, for legs, how is it looking like? A V. Okay. Okay. Then it's tail. Okay. Then in his body we saw some stripes. For that, one standing line, big standing line, then one small. Follow the pattern. Big, small, big, small, like this. Okay. See, follow the pattern and draw like this. One big, one small, one big, one small. So now what we are going to do? Yes, you children are very smart. We are going to outline the cat with sketch pen. The final. After drawing the outline with sketch pen, we have to erase the pencil marks. Okay, so it will look good. So here is the Warli cat. Now we are going to draw fish. Okay, मछली जल की रानी है, जीवन उसका पानी है. So we will make a fish. For fish in Warli, we need, for cat, for which shape we need? Oval. If we are going to squeeze that oval, that will look like
Fish.
that will look like this. Okay, so then at the end we are going to make a triangle. Okay, then this is the fish face part. Okay, from this curve make slanting line like this, and you have to add this, and look, it will look like a triangle. Okay, then we are going to follow this pattern. Okay, do it like this, children. I know you will do it. Okay, it's so easy. Then what we are going to do? We are going to outline the body and the total face with sketch and remove the pencil marks. Our fish is ready. So what we learned today? Warli fish, Warli cat, Warli elephant, Warli horse,
and Warli deer.
Yes.